From VOA Learning English, this is the Health Report. Many people fear a visit to the dentist. They are afraid of the dental equipment and treatments. Now, a British company says it has developed technology that will end the need for mechanical cleaning of dental cavities. Dentists have been repairing cavities the same way for a long time. They first remove the bad tooth tissue with an electric drill. Then they fill the hole in the bone with a metallic or plastic substance. The process can be unpleasant and sometimes very painful. Tooth enamel covers the outside of the tooth. The enamel of a damaged tooth can be replaced naturally. This process is called remineralization, but it is too slow to stop bacteria from building up in small, narrow areas of the enamel. A British business called Reminova has developed a method for speeding up this natural remineralization of early stage cavities. Jeff Wright heads the company. He says his company found a way to make remineralization a much faster process. They add calcium and phosphate minerals to the enamel that is there. First, they clean the cavity. No power tools are needed. Then the dentist covers the area with a mineral solution and uses an electrical current to harden this material. The patient does not feel the electricity. The hardened mineral completely fills the cavity. Dentists say the new method works best on early stage cavities. Researchers say they believe the new method can be further developed for treating late stage cavities. For VOA Learning English, I'm Ann Ball.